Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 9th of November 2012. Wall Street extended its slide overnight amid mounting fears the new US Congress will fail to avert the fiscal cliff. The US elections meant the composition of Congress remained the same, with Republicans controlling the lower house and Democrats in charge of the Senate. Investors fear that lawmakers will be unable to prevent the legislative mix of spending cuts and tax hikes from derailing the US economy. Sentiment was battered further by reports the EU is looking to delay financial aid to Greece despite the nation's lawmakers agreeing on a new austerity plan. Most commodities strengthened despite the weakness on equity markets. Gold rose 1% after the ECB left its expansionary monetary policy settings unchanged. Oil clawed back some of the previous session's heavy falls as a surprise drop in weekly US jobless claims eased concerns of lower energy demand. It was risk-off mode in the currency space, with the US dollar overcoming earlier weakness against the euro due to the standoff between Greece and the EU. Yesterday's modest gain on the SPI fizzled out in the overnight session. The index fell back towards 44.50, but there is some support around current levels that may prevent further declines today. The sell-off on the street has put the Aussie market on track for a 45-point drop on the open later this morning. In our morning update, we are neutral across Asian markets, the Hang Seng and Nikkei, whilst in the Australian equities section we have a short bias trading idea on AGL Energy. That wraps up the Australian Stock Report morning update. Thank you for listening.